Hey, my name's Blair Drysdale. I'm the production manager here at Zen E-Bikes, and today I'm going to talk to you about why we chose the Enviolo hub as our primary hub for our bicycles. The Enviolo hub is a continuous transmission, so like car transmissions from the past that GM and a few other brands had, it's one continuous motion all the way up. It doesn't have individual gears. Now how Enviolo does this is they have rotating ball bearings on two coned discs. So as you turn the shifter up, it allows you to continuously and smoothly roll your transmission up to make it easier to pedal, or down to make it hard to pedal. There's a grip shifter that goes along with this system, and what it does is essentially just quick grip, roll up, roll down, to make it very easy and very smooth. This hub is super reliable. There's next to no maintenance required for it, based on it all being internally fed and geared. Now it does have some fluid inside of it that can be changed by your local bike shop or here at Zen E-Bikes every once in a while if that's needed. As far as regular maintenance at home, your Enviolo shifter does have two regular bike cables in it. So what that means is, as you drive through weather, or as the bike ages and the cables stretch, you may need to replace your cables from time to time. Now, if you're not one to do regular bicycle maintenance on your own bike and you take it to your local bike shop or have somebody come to your home to fix it, then cables should be replaced either as they fray or stretch, or once a year, depending on whether or not you ride it in bad weather. Now, for those seeking an upgrade, the Enviolo hub can be converted to electronic. They do offer a kit aftermarket that will allow you to change yours from a regular fed cable system on a grip shift to a button pad that is fully electronic. Now, the reason why we chose the Enviolo hub is because obviously it is super smooth. For people who aren't comfortable on bikes, or this is their first bike in a long time, you don't really need to worry about gear ratios and whether your chain is properly aligned, whether you're in the correct gear. It's very simple. You just turn up and down to make it easier and harder. It really simplifies things for people that haven't been on a bike in quite some time or are not comfortable, and also is super smooth. So for the avid cyclist that's used to smooth and crisp shifting, this is one motion, and it makes it quite a lovely ride.